Are you cleaning? Max was very scared of the vacuum up until about 30 seconds ago when I let him do it himself. Now I think it's pretty cool. Move it around.
Whoa.
Yeah, you gotta move it all around. Suck up that dirt. Yeah, suck up that dirt. You gotta move it around. Yeah, pull it back and go somewhere else now. Here, let me tighten this up. There you go. Now that's better. Now it's a little shorter. Yeah, keep moving it around. Get all that dirt. Get the dirt, yeah. Tessa's over there having a little snack. Crackers and milk. Tessa! Tessa! Say hi. You're doing a good job there, bud. He's just going in the same spot over and over. You have to go help him.